Hey Nat, what have you been doing for the last 4 hours? Well, my Mac didn't have enough storage in it for me to do any sort of editing or hold any sort of content, so I had to put it all into an external hard drive. But now, the external hard drive is only formatted for Macs, so now I have to take whatever's in this external hard drive, put it back into my computer, and then fucking put it back into this USB drive, but then this USB drive ran out of storage, so I had to take whatever's in the USB drive and then put it back into my computer, my actual PC, and then I've been swapping between 3 fucking storage devices for 3 hours. Yeah.